Hello everyone, welcome to the new course on Angular JavaScript at Skills Grow. What if I have shown you these images? This is too much information to process at a time, right? So let us go through this course that is Angular JavaScript step by step. What is Angular JavaScript? Here goes the definition. Angular JavaScript is a structural framework for dynamic web applications. It lets us use HTML as our template language, and it is used in building single-page web applications. It is an open source platform where everyone, that is, users and developers, can share their ideas and develop the platform. It was originally developed by Harvey and Adam. It's now maintained by Google. It was initially released on October 20, 2010. That was 7 years ago, but it still remains as a top best framework. So why? What might be the reason for it? It is simple because it is easy to use. It provides high simplification to the whole development process which takes place in JavaScript. Now you know what is Angular JavaScript, and if you want to know where Angular JavaScript is used, stay with me. What is Angular JavaScript used for? In order to gain popularity, anything should have its own list of successful cases in addition to its benefits, right? So, here are the best and popular Angular JavaScript application examples. Video streaming applications. The most popular apps we daily have in our recent tabs are YouTube and Netflix. These are the best examples. And user review applications. Nowadays, customers want to seek more information about everything they are interested in before taking any action. That helps them in making wise decisions. There are many websites like Goodfilms which provides reviews of many movies. If you want to travel anywhere, you would like to take some advices from travel web applications. So here is a site named JetBlue. Easy, spontaneous interface and good performance are all what really matters in any weather app. Weather.com is a good example. User-generated content portals. Freelance.com and Upwork.com are good examples which handles large bytes of data every day. Social web applications. LinkedIn and Gmail are the best known examples. Now we have known about the pros of using Angular JavaScript. Let us look into the disadvantages where Angular JavaScript not worth to be used. Angular JavaScript fails in games applications. It is waste of time to seek for any real good games based on Angular. It is all because Angular JavaScript is a so-called dirty checking. That means Angular JavaScript will check all variables for change when each DOM changes his place. React.js works better at this purpose. And in heavy analytics applications, Angular JavaScript completely fails when an intensive math processes are required. Its performance falls at this issue. Now, let us see the reasons why you would like to use Angular JavaScript. It is that we can build amazing web applications. Let us look into the core features that makes it more flexible in usage. That is, major community. As it is an open source platform, it gives more benefits to developers and clients. Clients have wider choices of development teams. When we can understand the code, we can maintain the code easily. That makes it readable code. Google as creation. As we know, Google is a multinational company. It is into the development of Angular JavaScript. Customizable. It can be easily changed and used to our convenience. By this, the size of the framework will be largely reduced. The other features are fast for small, charge dependency, and easy testing. It allows to write and test module code separately from the rest of an application. That means only the necessary parts of the application and chosen services will be tested. Now let us look at the places where Angular JavaScript is successful. From the statistics data, more than 460,000 websites use Angular as their front-end framework. Among these, close to 145,000 hold their places in top million websites in the world. Who mostly use Angular JavaScript? It has tons of features and provides amazing benefits. Statistics provides us with information whom it suits best. First place stays business, and there is nothing special in it because Angular can build and test small websites quickly. Moreover, web applications stay stable, fast and cheap to maintain. Second category, It holds shopping, technology, and travel web applications. Third category, it is held by government, education, and sports web applications. In the end, Angular JavaScript helps make these websites stable while also scalable and easy to upgrade. There are other tons of reasons why you should use Angular JavaScript as a web application framework. Where is Angular JavaScript mostly used? Angular is used in places where information technology is believed to be future. Now, let us look at the concepts of Angular JavaScript which makes it more successful and usable. These are directives to extend HTML attributes, expressions to bind data to HTML, scope to control variables, two-way data binding, event handling, unit testing, controllers, services, and routing. Thank you for watching the video and see you soon.